Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write the code for small project. Push button control light in WinCC OA 3.21. Let's start. We create the small project button. We click here, start the project. Okay. Here, we double click a panel. We create is DPT button. Okay, it's one lamp, it's one variable. Okay, then lamp one, here lamp. Okay, then we use create panel test. In here, okay, is start button, stop button, is light, is changing, which we can't do this job, just use regular. It's the instruction step by step to finish. But today I use the code finish the job. We double click start, then here click. We write down its instruction DP site. Okay, then here system lamp. How to write down this one like this. DP site. We choose here that point select. We choose button. We choose lamp. Is lamp. Okay. Then here we use true. That's it. This DP set, okay, is true. That's it. We check everything is okay. Then stop. Similar is DP set. System lamp one is false. Okay. True and false. Start is true. Stop is false. We double click light. We go to initialization. Double click here. Here is the main. Is we write down DP connect. Is a test this function. Here system lamp one is this variable. We just create a variable. Okay. So it's void test string DP1. Okay. Board lamp. This one is the function. If lamp, go to lamp, if this the back color is become red, this means just this is the light, else is this back color is green. Okay, here it's been green, become green. Okay, here important is DP connect. Okay, in here. Okay, if lamp just variable is true, here become red. If it's false, become green. Okay. See, this one is DP connect. First one is function. Okay. Then second one is the variable. Just this variable, go to the DP connect. Just connect this variable. That we use this one function, test function. It's the first one string is DP1. Okay, ball lamp. Okay, that's it. We can test. Okay, start, red, stop, stop, yeah, stop, green. It's red, green. Okay, this one thing. We can use other way to make this program. Light, okay, button, stop button, start button, double click. We create the start function. Stop button, we create the stop function. It's here is the light. We can here's light. Its name is light. Then here double click. Then here scope light. Click here. We can create set value. First one is light. This one. Okay. This one's light. Sorry. Oh, not this one. We just go to scope light. Okay. Here, set value is light. Its back color red. Its void stop is function. Its set value light. Back color is green. Okay, that's completely different as before this one. Okay, we can try. Start, stop, start, stop. Okay, that's it. This have two way to do this push button control light. One way is this one. We just use light is initializing. We finish scrap radar code. Second way, we just use scope light. Okay, double click here. We write down void start, void stop. Okay, that's it. It's simple, but it's very useful. In the future, we use the script, write the code to. Also, we don't use its code. We can do the same job. Double click here. We can click here. Look. No, like this way. Okay, double click here. You can set radar is choose is variable. Then set value 1 0. Okay, this one. Also here we can use light. Initialize. Double click. Changing color is background. Use value depend net. Is here choose the button light. Then we can change the light. 0 is green. 1 is red. That's it. It's all the same thing. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.